Hello dear students and parents, I am Trina Chatterjee here. I am an arts graduate from Calcutta University. It's been more than 15 years that I have been teaching successfully. I teach all subjects including spoken English till class 7th. 7th onwards I teach Hindi, English, social science and spoken English. I generally prefer taking offline classes because that helps me focus on each and every student of mine. I am associated with MS Tutors, that is Ma Saraswati Home Tuitions online offline. MS Tutors provides you with best tutors at your doorstep. So if you are interested or looking for best tutor for your children, kindly contact us on the details given below. Thank you so much.